Yumi. Welcome to my class. Today I will show you a song called Dad's Big Car. Look, ta-da! Dad's big car. Do you like to ride on Dad's big car? I like to ride in Dad's big car. Up and down the hill we go. I like to ride in Dad's big car. Dad's big car is very slow. I like to ride in Dad's big car. What is it? A yellow sun is in the sky. I like to ride in Dad's big car. A bird, it flies so high. Tweet, tweet. I like to ride in Dad's big car. Two red flowers I can see. I like to ride in Dad's big car. Look, sheep. 1, 2, 3. I like to ride in Dad's big car. We can go to the park today. I like to ride in Dad's big car. And when we stop, I like to play. Yay! Very good. Here comes the music.
Unit 10, Dad's Big Car. Story Song. Dad's Big Car.
A bird.